We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty backdrop stand. List number 1. WUPYI Professional Backdrop Stand Pipe Kit. Brand new and high quality. Need to assemble, easy to use. Sole base support to stand on the ground steadily. Telescopic pole design. It is convenient to adjust according to the wedding backdrop. Studio backdrop stand has dual vertical and horizontal adjustable poles, and it is capable of holding heavy fabric backdrop, LED lights, large graphics, etc. Adjustable background stand for weddings, receptions, parties, catered presentations, bridal and baby showers, birthdays, candy buffets, dessert tables, and more. List number 2. MALKARON 10x8 FT Backdrop Banner Stand. The backdrop frame features a telescopic design with adjustable width and height. All poles are easily retractable by loosening the joints, convenient to fit for banners or posters in different sizes. This banner stand is made from aluminum alloy with a professional black satin finish for strength and portability. With one more support pole, more support from middle, which is strong enough to hold the backdrop when extend. Oxford fabric material and strong bag strap make it durable and dust-proof. Separate pockets for each pole and base protect them from paint loss in transit. List number 3. JULIUS Studio 10 Fort. Wide 9.6 Fort. Tall. Easy to set up and store in the carry bag. Suitable for canvas, muslin, paper, or any type of background. Lightweight adjustable photography backdrop stand is made of aluminum alloy construction, stable and sturdy, easy to set up and take down, ideal for photo studio, video shooting. Height adjustable from 2.7 ft to 9.6 fort, width adjustable from min 4.5 fort to max 10 fort. List number 4. Linka Store 12x 20 feet heavy duty. The background support system are manufactured from high-quality steel, heavy duty, durable and stable for photo/video studio shooting, home, outdoors, and on-site. Adjustable 9-ft high and 20-ft wide background support allow photographers to maximize background size needs for a variety of shoots and locations. The 3 stands and 8 crossbars can be freely combined. Easy to install and disassemble, and comes with a carry bag to carry. Easy to transport and store. List number 5. LIMOSTUDIO 10x 9.6 Fort. Heavy-duty backdrop stand. The photography umbrella lighting kit. Soften lighting and set up the light differently depending on what effect. Light stand and bulb holders are flexible. The height of light stand can be adjusted between 2.5 Fort 70 Fort. The angle of the bulb holders can be turned vertically. Manually adjust distance between light bulbs and umbrella to get best light. Green screen videos can look amazing and can help any video that you produce stand out from the crowd. Videos are everywhere these days, and the last thing you want to do is to spend a long time creating a very ordinary